So hairdryer can't do anything to a cat, right? Well, this dude definitely doesn't think so.
Your hands were really tied. Oh wait, maybe those were her hands.
The only reason I kidnapped her in the first place is because I thought she was the black.
Hey.
Just so you know, never interrupt a cat's hunt. Bro looks as shocked as the main character discovering their nemesis is still alive. Who would have thought even a printer could prank Cat?
Don't be scared of it, Ulf.
Average scenes when music starts playing in horror movies.
Oh my god.
These cats might just first met a baby, so the confusion is understandable. Kev is actually shaking like a leaf.
What you doing, Kev?
But after that challenge, there's no way he's staying still. When the breakfast actually keeps you awake. Moment Cat realizes that pattern looks a bit familiar. Bro won't mess with its owner anymore. Wait until the cat realizes its opponent is just a cat-shaped pencil case. This dark magic needs to be widely taught in a cat raiser community, ma'am.
Oh my god.
Just a small hint, but cats are weakest when they're curious. Tease them.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
What on earth could scare a cat like that? This husky? Yeah, its goofiness can sometimes freak me out.
Scared you. Sorry, I scared you.
What could make an old cat feel out of place? That's right, youth.
Didin din didin. Didin din didin. Didin din didin. Didin din didin.
Never underestimate a tomato. It can humble a cat more effectively than you can. Imagine having a rival right on your butt. That's funny.